Good morning, kids. Today in English session I am going to explain you the second chapter. This is the poem There Isn't Time, and this poem was written by Eleanor Fergian. Kids, Eleanor Fergian was an English writer and she uh, and she has won many awards for talented children's author in her honor. Okay, in this poem, uh, the poetess wants to say if she has the time and what she wants to do. Okay, so let's get started. First I'll read the poem, then I'll explain you. Okay. There isn't time to do the things I want to do, with all the mountain tops to climb and all the woods to wander through, and all the seas to sail upon, and everywhere there is to go, and all the people, everyone who lives upon the earth to know. There's only time, there's only time to know a few and do a few, and then sit down and make a rhyme about the rest I want to do. Okay, let's start with the explanation part. uh, Dear students, in this poem, poetess said that she hasn't time to do the things that she want to do. Let's find which thing she want to do. So let's start with the poem. The first one, there isn't time to do the things that I want to do. पोएटेस क्या बोल रही है कि आई डिडंट हैव एनी टाइम दैट व्हाट आई वांट टू डू. लेट्स सी व्हाट शी वांट्स टू डू. With all the mountain tops to climb and all the woods to wander through. The poetess is saying that if I get the time, I want to climb the mountain tops. मतलब mountains की ऊंचाई पे मुझे जाना है. And all the woods to wander through. Wander means इधर उधर घूमना, मीन्स जंगलों में घूमना विदाउट एनी एम, मतलब कोई ऐसे नहीं, उसको जंगल में ऐसे ही घूमना है. And all the seas to sail upon and everywhere there is to go. And he wants to sail on sea. पूरे समुद्र में वो सेल करना चाहती है और जहाँ सब जाते हैं वहाँ हर एक जगह पे वो जाना चाहती है. And all the people, everyone who lives upon the earth to know a few and do a few. जहाँ पूरे अर्थ पे those people lives, there she wants to go, and where every peoples go she also wants to go. He wants to know a few and do a few. कुछ वो जानना चाहती है और कुछ चीज़ें वो करना चाहती है. And then sit down and make a rhyme about the rest I want to do. वो बोल रही है कि इफ़ आई गेट द टाइम, रेस्ट टाइम, जो बाकी का टाइम बचा हुआ है वहाँ पे मैं बैठूँगी और जो मैंने पूरा टाइम घूमा या कुछ भी देखा उसके बारे में मुझे राइम बनानी है. एंड देन अबाउट द रेस्ट आई वांट टू डू. एंड the summary of the poem. In this poem, the poetess wished that if she had all the time in the world, there are so many things she wants to do. Okay, she wants to climb up the mountain tops, visit all the forest, seas to sail, and she wants to go everywhere to meet everyone who live upon the earth. She wants know all about the world, and at the end she sit down and write a poem in her rest of the time. Hope you understand this poem. Next, these are the hard words that you have to write 5 times in your English literature notebook. The first one is mountains, mountains, mountains. Second, wander, wonder. Third, everywhere, everywhere. Fourth, earth, earth. And the last one, people, that is people. Next is meaning. That this meaning that you are knowing, you have to write only one time. Wander means walk around aimlessly. Wander means यहाँ वहाँ घूमना लेकिन किसी aim के बिना. Hope you understand this poem. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye. Take care.